Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to rename your Bluetooth device on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Bluetooth, Connected Devices, or Connections, depending on your device. Then, tap * device name, phone name, or rename this device. Enter the new name you want to use for your phone. After typing the new name, tap OK, Save, or Rename to apply the changes. Your new device name will now appear when other Bluetooth devices search for or connect to your phone. To make sure the new name is updated, you can turn Bluetooth off and back on, then scan for available devices from another phone or computer. That's all. You've successfully renamed your Bluetooth device on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.